In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and configure the shipping settings in your Shopify store. Whether you're a new store owner or have been using Shopify for a while, understanding how to properly set up shipping is crucial to delivering products efficiently to your customers. We're going to walk through each of the options within Shopify's shipping settings so you can tailor your shipping preferences to suit your business needs. To begin, you'll need to head over to your Shopify account. Start by going to My Store within your Shopify admin homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a series of options on the left side of your screen. We're going to focus on Settings, so go ahead and click on that. From the Settings menu, we'll need to dive into the shipping specifics by choosing Shipping and Delivery. Here, the journey through the nitty-gritty of your shipping options truly begins, so let's explore these settings further. Next, select Shipping. This section handles the core of your shipping profile, including rates and zones. Continue by clicking on Split Shipping, which is particularly useful if you need to send portions of an order from multiple locations or at different times. Following that, navigate to Shipping Labels. It's essential to configure this setting to automate the creation of shipping labels directly from Shopify for an easy, streamlined process. Next, you'll find Expected Delivery Dates. Configuring this properly can help manage your customers' expectations by letting them know when they can expect to receive their items. Now let's move on to order routing. This setting can optimize the way your orders are processed and ensure that they are managed in the most efficient manner possible, which is particularly important if you have multiple fulfillment locations. For businesses that offer local options, Shopify provides local delivery settings. Here you can outline the specifics of delivering products directly to customers in your geographical area. If your business supports pickup in store, this is where you can customize the options available to your customers to collect their orders directly from your store. In the delivery section, you will also find delivery customizations. Utilize these tools to adjust how your delivery options display and operate according to your store's unique requirements. Moving on, saved packages allow you to define the dimensions and weights of the packaging you use regularly. This can help streamline the checkout process by providing accurate shipping costs. Next, consider Enable Third-Party Calculated Rates at Checkout. This is key if you wish to offer real-time shipping rates from various couriers, giving customers more transparency and choice. Near the end of our settings exploration, click on Shipping Documents. Here you can customize any necessary documents that accompany your shipped goods, such as invoices or customs declarations. Finally, under Custom Order Fulfillment, you're able to set how orders are fulfilled if they require external services or partnerships. Reviewing these settings helps ensure smooth operation between your store and fulfillment providers. By walking through each of these options, you can significantly enhance your store's logistical capabilities. These steps will help ensure your shipping settings align with your business goals and your customers' expectations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more guidance on managing your Shopify store.